Do you want to know the most confident man on this earth? Yes, the most confident man on this earth. Why am I talking about this topic? मैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में आज बात क्यों कर रहा हूं? Why am I thinking about this? Because confidence is something that is required in every aspect of your life. You do business, you do job, or you do anything. Even if you take a decision, taking a decision requires your confidence. And from where confidence comes? It comes from your clarity. When you are clear in your directions, when you're clear in your purpose, you have the confidence. Any guesses about whom I'm talking about? कुछ guess किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूं मैं? Whom am I talking about? Just put it in the comments about whom I'm talking about. Take the guess. Yes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. I am talking about Tony Robbins, the guru of public speaking, the guru of self development. Yes, the guru of self development. On the Netflix, you can search his movie, I'm Not Your Guru. Yes. According to Megzer and even Inc.com, he is being said as one of the most confident person on this earth. Why? Why is it so? How the life of Tony, how the teachings of Tony can help you. Why Tony Robbins is being considered as the most confident and a self-help guru. Do you want to know? Type in BIO. Yes, BIO. Thank you. Hi, I'm Ashish Chuneja, an HR professional turned academician turned entrepreneur and miracle life expert on a mission to create miracle in your life and help you generate miracle life of self-reliance. I help people to get their digital businesses up and running and help them become self-reliant. Now, coming to the point of and the story of Tony Robbins. Yes, Tony Robbins. Mark Benoff. Yes, Mark Benoff. Somebody asked him, Mark Benoff, if Tony Robbins would ask you to jump off the bridge, would you do? Mark Benoff said, that is the only reason I feel Tony is one of the most confident men on this world. Yes, most confident man on this earth. Let me take you the story. The story of 2012. Yes, the story of 2012. 2012, in 2012, Mark Benoff was with Tony Robbins in his Fiji Islands. And the Tony Robbins resort name is Namale Resort. So that's everywhere, every year, Tony Robbins gives seminars and then lavish treatments to celebrities, because Tony Robbins clients are the people who are actually paying Tony Robbins $8,000 per seminar. Yes, $8,000 per seminar. $8,000 $8,000 की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो 6.5 लाख रुपए. So per seminar, 6.5 lakh rupees people are paying Tony Robbins. So the story dates back to 2012. In the Fiji Islands, Mark Benoff, the person with the Salesforce, the company that is $6.6 billion now more. Mark Benoff and with 4 other people, Tony Robbins was there. So in the night around 11 p.m., Tony Robbins asked everybody, get up. Oh, what happened? Let's have a drive. So with 4 other people, Tony Robbins went for a drive into the jungles, and on a bridge, Tony Robbins asked everyone to jump. What? Jump from a bridge inside the river? What are you talking about? Tony Robbins, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? कूदना इस river, इस bridge से नदी में? Yes, I am serious. So everybody jumped. 4 of them, including Tony Robbins, now 5 of them, including Tony Robbins, jumped into the river. And the moment everybody jumped into the river, Tony Robbins said, hey, look, be careful, there are snakes. Be careful, there are snakes. And Mark Benoff could see that snakes were floating around nearby Tony Robbins, and Tony Robbins was not fearful. Yes, Tony says that it's only one thing. It's only one thing that stops you from focusing on what you want. Do you want to know what's that thing? सिर्फ एक ही ऐसी चीज है जो आपको रोक रही है, जो आप पाना चाहते हैं उससे. That thing is fear. Was this gold? Type gold. If you are liking this, type love. Share some emojis, share some love, share some comments, write something so that I also get motivated, excited, and get to know that you are actually watching. Thank you, Manoj Mishra, sir, for watching, and thank you for putting in the comments. Now, it's also being said that someone who is most certain, जो बहुत certain होगा, yes, someone who is the most certain, he will lead, even if that person is wrong. Isn't that great? Yes. The person who is most confident, the person who is most confident, अगर वो गलत भी है तो भी वो लीड कर जाएगा. So the confidence is the one biggest ability you should possess in your life to win in your life, business, situations, and everywhere. Do you want to know the 10 traits of confident people? From the ing.com, I would like to share the 10 traits of confident people. Yes, 10 ऐसी चीजें जो confident लोगों के पास होती हैं. Yes, 10 traits. The number one trait is purpose. Every confident person has a purpose. हर confident व्यक्ति का एक purpose होता है. Do you have a purpose? If you don't have a purpose, take help from mentors. किसी भी mentor की help लीजिए. Ask people. Yes, clarity is power. No comparison. Till 2016 approximately, I was comparing myself with everyone. मैं सबसे compare कर लेता था खुद को. But in a spiritual retreat in 2016 in Rishikesh, I did realize, मुझे उस दिन realize हुआ, there were 3 things that being told. 3 C's. Remove 3 C's from your life. Yes. कौन सी 3 चीजें? Type 3C. Type 3C. By the way, if you are liking this, अगर आपको ये अच्छा लग रहा है, share it with share it in your timeline. आप अपनी timeline पे इसको share कर सकते हैं. Share it with other people. Let the other people know. Let other people watch it till the time it finishes. जब तक ये खत्म होता है तब तक दूसरे लोगों को पता लग जाए, and they can find it useful, beneficial, because live when I'm doing live or somebody is doing live, there is a benefit of commenting and then benefit of talking to the person. So 3 C's: compare, criticize, complain. So don't compare. When you compare yourself with other person, that's where the problem is. जब आप अपनी लाइफ को किसी दूसरे के लाइफ से कंपेयर करते हैं तब वहां प्रॉब्लम है. आपकी अपनी जर्नी है, उसकी अपनी जर्नी है, उसकी अपनी जर्नी है. Criticize, no point. Complain, no point. Be a solution oriented person. In 2006, yes, 2006, I was working in GE Healthcare Technologies, and there was a manager, Mr. B Ramakrishnan. So Mr. B Ramakrishnan के पास में गया एक दिन, and then there was some problem. So I said to Mr. B Ramakrishnan, Ramki, we called him Ramki. Ramki, these are some issues. What should we do? There are some issues. I think that there is a problem. He told me one thing, Ashish. I said, yes. Are you an MBA? I said, yeah, I am an MBA. I'm PGDBM. Remember one thing, Ashish. You are not here for problems. You are here for solutions. You are not here for problems. You are here for solutions. So from that day, I became solution oriented. Yes, solution oriented. The next point is play on your strength. Play on your strength. So there are 2 kinds of people who always work on their weakness, but I tell everybody to work on your strength. In an examination, let's say you have 20 questions in exam. आप कौन से questions पहले solve करोगे जो आपको आते हैं या जो आपको नहीं आते? I have tried this in my examination in 12th and other places. अगर मैं वो questions करने बैठता हूँ जो मुझे नहीं आते, the problem is big problem. And the moment I start solving those questions that I know and that I love to do, and that's where the answer is, and that's where the simplicity is. Yes. Work on your things till you make it. Some people say it, fake it till you make it. I'll not say fake it till you make it. Fake करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but करते रहिए, करते रहिए, करते रहिए जब तक आपको मिल नहीं जाता. करते रहिए जब तक आपको मिल नहीं जाती वो चीज. Take action. And also take pride in your appearance. Yes. Take pride in your appearance. Whatever you are, whosoever you are a masterpiece. You were not created out of accident. You were not mass produced. ना तो आप किसी एक्सीडेंट से पैदा हुए थे, ना तो आपको मास प्रोडक्शन हुआ था. नीदर यू आर एन असेंबली लाइन प्रोडक्ट. यू वर intentionally created by master craftsman. Lucado told this. How great was this? Type G. If you found this G, gold, type gold. So positive focus is very important. Your positivity is very, very important. Some people say it, नेगेटिव सिचुएशन चल रही है तो क्या करेंगे? जब नेगेटिविटी है तो है, झूठ में क्यों चलना? बहुत लोग कहते हैं ना कि अगर दुख है तो है, अब उसमें मैं बार बार पॉजिटिव क्या सोचूं, दुख को जी लेता हूं. दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड. कीप गेटिंग इनटू योर ग्रीफ. इट्स अ साइकोलॉजी थिंग, इट्स ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ थेरेपी कि दुख को दुख के तरीके से जीना है, दुख में ज्यादा जाना है. जितना गहरे आप दुख में उतरेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपका अच्छा होगा. बट द पॉइंट इज, दुख में जाते जाते ऐसा ना हो कि आपका दुख, आप अभी करंट में है और दुख आपका 2 साल पुराना हो जाए, दुख आपका 10 साल पुराना हो जाए, दुख आपका 6 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल पुराना हो जाए, और आप बार बार कार चलाते वक्त बैक मिरर में देखें. मतलब कार आप चला सामने रहे और साइड मिरर से देख रहे हैं, आगे क्या होगा? एक्सीडेंट. बी रेडी एंड हैव अ पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज. यस, हैव अ पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज. बी रेडी. Be ready and have a positive language, positive body language. Now, what is that one point we should learn from Tony Robbins? कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट है जो हमें टॉनी रॉबिन्स से लर्न करना चाहिए? टॉनी रॉबिन्स says, if you want to succeed in your business and life, अगर आप अपनी लाइफ और बिजनेस में कामयाब होना चाहते हैं, 2 things you need to take care of. There are 2 businesses you need to take care of. Yes, 2 businesses you need to take care of. The first business is the business you are in. The first business is the business you are in. And the second business is the business you are becoming. You need to manage the business you are in. You also need to manage the business you are becoming. Let's say you only manage the business you are in, whatever business you are in. And if you don't manage the business you are becoming, technology might kill you, communication might kill you, some other thing might kill you, competition might kill you. So you have to manage both the businesses, the business you are in, the business you are managing. So start managing these 2. Thank you very much. If you found this something very powerful, if you found this something very effective, आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो, valuable लगा हो, do one thing. There is a group called Self-Reliance Mastermind for Digital Business, where we are helping, where there is a mastermind where we are helping people to launch their digital business in 12 weeks. Yes, we are helping people to create a digital business around their superpower, not following anybody, not emulating anybody, but around your ability. Not following anybody, not following anybody, but around your ability. Yes, around your ability. If you believe you want to create a business around your superpower, join the group. Just put in the comments SR or Self-Reliance. Just type in the comments SR. The link to the group will be sent to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Do let me know what more do you want to see. मुझे बताते रहिए कि आपको और क्या आप देखना चाहते हैं. How this video has helped you. How are the videos helping you? If these videos are not helping you, then also you let me know. If these videos are not worth, then also you let me know. If these videos are wasting your time, do let me know. But if these videos are something valuable, that these videos are helping in your business, your life, your abilities, your helping you to become more clear, share it with people. Sharing is caring. See you in the next video. Thank you.